All right, everyone, the watch list video here for Friday, November 7th. Is the SPY headed down to the 50-day, which is 664.71? I mean, it's definitely showing some weakness lately, right? Let me switch charts real quick. So in these videos, I always like to give the call of the day to somebody, and Sahil gets it again. URGN over 21. You can see the big rip there. We'll go to 5-minute candles real quick and show you. Had an early pop and then flagged kind of below the whole number 21 with the earlier high of day above. Look at the 21 break. It just never looks back and goes to 23.64. And the big part about that is typically our stop goes below the previous 5-minute candle, which is this red candle, which puts the stop like 13 or 14 cents below. So call of the day, right? When you talk about a $2.64 move on 13 cents risk, that's a lot of R. Anyway, let's go into what we're watching tomorrow. But first, let me remind everyone that this video is all about in-play stocks that we'll be looking to trade on Friday, right? In-play meaning recent relative high volume, or high relative volume, I should say, for that stock, and good price movement, and always preferably on news. So keep that in mind when you watch the video. And we're going to go right into it. SKYT, big volume there, right? And a fairly strong close in a pretty weak tape. Because keep in mind, the NASDAQ was down 445 and the Dow down almost 400. I can show you the SPY real quick. I think I started with that one. But, pretty darn weak, right? So we'll see. So anyway, SKYT. Nice relative volume. Lift, LYFT, closing way off its highs, but nice volume. Rivian, inside day after yesterday's big rip, it held up pretty well. EVC, another inside day after yesterday's big rip. ASST, I just like this big volume pop here and kind of sideways. So over today's high, which was 162, you look to the left and you say 181 is another catalyst, right? So let's keep that one on watch. IOVA. I wish it had closed stronger, but the market closed weak, so we'll see. I like the volume though. FSLY, big breakout today, may have a continuation day tomorrow. LFST, same thing. BGS, same thing, right? Big breakouts. SLDP, a little bit of a different bounce play for me, but it had such a big rip yesterday and then a much lower volume, an inside day, but a red day today. Could be a third day play, so I'm just going to treat it like a bounce play, and you folks in chat know exactly what I look for on an intraday basis on bounce plays. SMCI is just, it's got good support at this $40 level, right? And it's 4 days in a row down to get there. Pretty good setup for a bounce play. And then a couple potential gappers, Peloton, PTOM, which closed at 671. It's trading at 730 right now. I believe they reported earnings. And then also AFRM, Affirm, closed at 65.96 as I'm talking to you, trading at 73.50, also gapping on earnings. So those are two to watch. And then that's it. I'll see you guys in pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to the list. Have a great night.